Chris, if there's someone who's ideally suited for Allie, it's most certainly you. You're patient when she's overly excited, you challenge her when she may need a reality check, but most importantly, you're a match because you make each other laugh.
By living with them, I was really able to see their true love firsthand, and it was just a beautiful thing. And I'm very happy for you both, and I wish you guys both the best of luck in the future.
Have you, Christopher, a free and unconstrained will and a firm intention to take unto yourself to marry this woman, Alexandra, whom you see here before you?
I have.
Have you, Alexandra, a good, free, and unconstrained will and a firm intention to take unto yourself to marry this man, Christopher, whom you see here before you?
I have.
You're both goofy, you have an energy when you're together that's contagious, and if you hold on to that magic, you'll have a wonderful life together. Please raise your glasses. Cheers to the newlyweds. We love you.
Under the starlight, we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go.
All I can say is that was a quick 27 years. We wish you nothing but the best. We love you both. Congratulations.
You guys are truly lucky to have found love in each other. So I have such a deep happiness that my little brother now has this with you, Allie. Raise your glasses one more time. Here's to the new bride and groom. We love you.